I'm just here representing my client, just for information.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm Dennis Crane with Dennis and Crane Law Firm. I'm just here to represent him for his needs. I'm not here as a official court clerk or anything of sorts. I'm just here to represent him
Okay.
and defend him.
For the record, I am Captain James Marshall with the Cobb County Police Department from the SIARD, or Criminal Investigations Division. Towards the right of me is who we have identified as our suspect, Agent 47 Burnwood. Mr. Burnwood, what are your questions?
Mr. Burnwood,
Yes.
what are your questions?
What am I? What? Sorry.
Questions,
Hang on.
sir.
What am I here to represent you for?
The false charges that they got against me, sir.
Okay, so let me ask a few questions because I read over a small file on my way here.
Yes, sir.
I just got called here for represent. So from my understanding, you guys got an approved warrant from a judge. What was the name? I'm not aware.
I don't have the warrant on my file. It would
It's
be
okay.
from the SWAT team who filed it.
May I ask what the scope of the warrant was?
So the scope of the warrant was involving multiple matters. One involving two attempted officer homicides where two GSP troopers were shot at by what we believe to be a long-range rifle at the satellite dishes. I will get you an address. It's going to be postal 279 on Panorama Drive. The second scope of it was involving a car bomb that exploded a MPD police charger at 280, which, from my belief, killed Deputy Chief 503 B. Sparks in that explosion. Both suspects, one identified as I believe Christopher Mintzper was identified, and Agent 47 Burnwood. The SWAT team of CCPD, which is the Cobb County Police Department, the Cobb County Sheriff's Office, and the Marietta Police Department gathered together for a mutual aid SWAT raid of both properties. The second property, which I believe was 854 down in Marietta, no evidence was found. However, at the property raid at 106, which I believe was Grapeseed Avenue, officers on scene found significant evidence involving multiple different types of chemical substances. We found explosives, multiple different firearms, and a very large meth lab, which was inside the property.
110, show me traffic, 319, it's gonna be a black.
It's okay. So from what I'm understanding here is 2 properties were raided. One of them had that significant evidence, including what kind of chemicals?
Bear with me one moment. I can get this chemical for you.
And do you have anyone in the station or in the area that is bomb trained?
Yes, we had a EOD and bomb squad unit from the Cobb County Sheriff's Office. The chemicals, I believe, were going to be phosphoric acid.
Okay. Do you have any proof of supplies that besides the chemicals, like pipes, anything?
Yes, we have physical pictures from inside the property of bombs that were present, the chemicals that were present, which were packed in barrels, along with a fridge filled with meth trays and an entire meth lab which was active that was attached to the property. There was also body cam footage provided by officers of the entire raid of both properties.
Okay. And how can you
Mr. Lawyer, that is not my address. It's my old family's house. My address is over there. It's I believe it's 538 is the postal.
Okay. To inform your client of this right now, under the legal standards, your client has 60 days to update his address to his current proof of address. Otherwise, the one that is listed on his driver's license is the one that is taken. Because we raided the house...
I'm only at 30 days.
Okay.
I still got 30 more days to register.
You should have done it sooner, because we raided the house that was on your property. So, because it is listed under your address...
Can I ask you a question?
House. Yes, sir. Go for it.
Besides the address being on his driver's license, do you have any other evidence that ties my client to that property?
It's listed under his driver's license. So the fact that he lives there, no.
Okay. But can you prove that himself? You've seen him inside of that property.
I don't need to prove that I've seen him inside of his property. It's listed under his current address, meaning that it is his current residence.
Which I get. This is just questions I have to ask. I understand that that's the part. These is just the things I have to ask from his perspective and for the defense.
I understand that. I would also like to add, if he wished the officers to raid his actual proof of address, in which the one that he did not provide to us, he should have corrected officers or explained to us that he had not changed the address on his driver's license. Because I believe we had public conversation and informed that his property was being
Can you?
raided once the
Was
warrant
he
was filed.
cognitive at the time?
I was just put in a cell.
Were you tased at any point? Did you?
No, I
run
was
from
not
them?
tased.
He was not tased at any point. No,
Okay.
no taser devices, less than lethal devices, hand control devices besides handcuffs, or lethal devices were
Okay.
used on the suspects while in the detention facility.
Was he cooperative when you guys detained him?
Yes.
Okay.
Not exactly.
What? I'll speak up, my man.
Upon attempted to detain this individual, he refused to comply with commands of putting his hands up many of times. He said he was, and his hands were remaining down. He then
Walk
ended up
to your
putting his
patrol
hands up.
car.
When I arrived on scene as the detective, he was on his knees complying with officers.
Okay. Okay.
I complied, sir.
Uh,
Mr. Lawyer.
Mr. Crane, to you, please.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Crane.
So I kind of get the idea of what's going on here. Unfortunately, there's not really a lot I can do right now. This is just an formal interview to hear from the defense. The defense is going to take the case, and then the prosecutors obviously is the state of Georgia. They're here to prosecute you. They're going to prosecute you probably in the court, and this is technically your just parole time. So you're on parole until you go to court. Because I'm assuming you paid off your parole, correct?
Yes.
Or you have a bond? Oh,
I believe.
Yeah,
his
I'm on
I
bond.
believe his bond amount was $1,500.
okay.
Yes. The Gestapo family bonded me out, sir.
That
Yeah,
is.
I don't
wouldn't.
need to know
I
that
wouldn't
information,
say
sir.
that name. Just for reference, that's not a good name to use.
Well, I have the information I need for now. Can I also get your net badge number, the guy to my right, please?
Are you speaking with
Yep.
me or the detention deputy?
Just the detention deputy.
Yep, Chief Deputy Logan Maddox, badge number 103.
Thank you, sir. Like I said, I have all the information I need for now. Is my client free to go at this time?
Yes, sir. Depending on the court provisions, with the product of him paying his bail, your client's court date will be set 30 days from the current date when he appears in court. I just want to give you
Yeah.
this heads up that our state attorney will push for him to be placed on house arrest.
That's
So-
completely fine. And I'm sure my client will cooperate. Right, Mr. Wright?
Yes. Yes.
Or sorry, Mr.
Mr. Burn.
47.
Mr. Burnwood.
Mr. Burnwood. Okay, my client will gladly be cooperative in that measure.
Yes, sir.
Am I on house arrest right now?
No, sir. It will be.
Okay.
It will be determined by the judge of the court.
It'll go through your bond company. Whenever they figure out your bond, that's when
Mr.
then they'll
Burnwood.
provide it.
Just to let you know, with the current issue that is presented, which is your charges, because you are now technically on bond, which is also parole, you are not legally allowed to possess any sort of firearms or weapons within the state of Georgia. Do you understand that?
Can I get a second with my client real quick?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Can I talk to my lawyer?
Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. Also, take your rifle out and put it back because it's on your back still. Just I don't know if you can do, but just letting you know.
The door is still open. Cough, cough.
Oh, to update his address. Of course, probably gonna have him update his address.
I'm gonna have him update his address in the thing, but under the charges listed, it was his address under his driver's license. So either way, we're gonna run it how it is. So it'll be determined in a court of law with the district attorney, his defense, and a judge.
Can you hear him or no?
No, I can't hear anything they're saying.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I have to record I'm a body cam on the whole thing, so I'm not gonna pry on their conversation.
Huh?
I have body cam of this entire thing because I have to, so I'm not gonna pry on their conversation.
That is fair. So our rooms are recorded anyways.
Yeah.
But that's
Well, for the investigation, I'm required
attorney-client
to.
privileges.
For
He's
the
good
court.
to go.
All right, sir. I thank you for your time, Mr. Cranington.
It's just Crane.
Okay, Mr. Crane.
Fucking Cranington. Fucking trash. Is this door unlocked?
Yeah, I'll walk you out.
Yeah, he'll walk you out. Is he still in here? All right, sir. You can leave the station.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. You come with me.
What was your name again?
It'll be listed in the report.
Hang on.
Goedemiddag.
Uh,
Dat is.
What
Huh?
is it? All right, sir. If you want to come with me, the doors right here are going to be your exit. But actually, for
Okay.
the both of you.
Dat is in Wunder. Dat is de Wumi is good.
I don't speak German, sir.
Je spreekt Dutch, ja?
I don't speak Dutch.
Je spreekt Dutch, ja?
No, I speak English.
De skipper.
I don't know what you're saying, man. Give me a second.
Oh, I didn't know you walked out to the lobby.
Yeah, I was there with you. What's up?
Oh, I was just telling you there's a German guy in the lobby.
Yeah, I'm just gonna ignore that. I have a arrest report to file. I'm probably gonna get it finished tomorrow because I have to make a PDF of the images and then I have to submit the body cam. I actually have to cut the body cam so that it is in proper sections because it's overlapped over multiple different clips, and then I have to do the interview body cam as well. So
Yeah, I hear you.